Node.js documentation. We headed to the docs. We have about documentation. Here we have docs, we have ES6 and beyond. We have v18.12.1 API, LTS. We have let me go back. We have this Node.js v19.2.0 documentation. So as you can see, you can check out. You have the console, you have the HTTP, inspector, events, domain, errors. You also have the same thing for the Node.js v18.12.1. So different version. We have the guides. You have getting started guide, debugging, getting started easily, Node.js course modules. You have also dependencies. You have libraries, tools, libraries. So we're going first with the documentation. There are several types of documentation available on this website. API reference documentation, ES6 features, guides. So we have API reference documentation. The API reference documentation provides detailed information about a function or object in Node.js. This documentation indicates what arguments a method accepts, the return value of that method, and what errors may be related to that method. It also indicates which methods are available for different versions of Node.js or Node.js. This documentation describes the built-in modules provided by Node.js. It does not document modules provided by the community. So looking for API docs of previous release, you have all these previous versions from the 17 all the way to 10, 9, all the way to 4. Then you have 0.12.x, 0.10.x. You can click here and get all the versions. So you have all the versions from Node.js here. That's a lot. So we have ES6 features. The ES6 section describes the 3 ES6 feature groups and details which features are enabled by default in Node.js, alongside explanatory links. It also shows how to find which version of V8 ship with a particular Node.js release. Guides. The guide section has a long form, in-depth articles about Node.js, technical features and capabilities. So we're gonna check out the ES6 and beyond. So we have the ECMAScript 2015, that is the ES6 and beyond. Node.js is built against modern versions of V8, and if you wanna check out more information in those links, you just can open it and you can start reading more. There's a lot of information here, so if you are curious about it, you just can read it. Okay, so by keeping up to date with the latest releases of this engine, we ensure new features from the JavaScript ECMA-262 specification. So this one right here, this is the ECMA 262. So you go to www.ecma-publications-n/standards/ECMA-262. So you have all the information here. Are brought to Node.js developers in a timely manner, as well as continue performance and usability improvements. All ECMAScript 2015 ES6. When you think of ES6, you get the ECMAScript 2015. All the ES6 features are split into three groups for shipping, staged, and progress features. One, all shipping features which VA considers stable are turned on by default on Node.js and do not require any kind of runtime flag. 2. Stage features, which are almost completely completed features that are not considered stable by the VA team, require a runtime flag column. You have the double hyphen harmony. 3. And progress features can be activated individually by their respective harmony flag, although this is highly discouraged unless for testing purposes. Note, these flags are exposed by V8 and will potentially change without any deprecation notice.